Amigo, welcome to my channel Info with Anjali, and today Anjali is here with the topic Battery Management System of Electric Vehicles. We know batteries are very much important for our electric vehicles, but the same importance is carried by battery performance. That means the safety of battery needs to be assured by the battery pack provider. But why? Because we don't know whether our battery is overcharged or undercharged, whether it is in the overcurrent situation or overvoltage situation, or maybe the temperature our battery is dealing with is not good for its health. But why these all factors affect our batteries, or how these factors are related to our battery, and when the BMS comes to picture? Because this overcharging, undercharging, over voltage and under voltage situations and the high temperatures can lead to acceleration of aging process of a battery pack, resulting in fire or explosion, which can cause a human life as well. And that is why battery management system is used, and this is where BMS is important. So what is battery management system? As its name suggests, battery management system is a management system which manages our rechargeable batteries by protecting them, working in outside of their safe operation area, by monitoring their state, their parameters, calculating the data and reporting them to controller, and balancing it. This is how battery management system is important. So objectives of our battery management system are to make sure that our battery is always ready to be used. Of course, no one needs its battery in a cold condition. Another objective of BMS is to extend our battery life as long as possible, as everyone wants longer battery life. And the last but the most important parameter to make sure that any cell of our battery is not damaged or our battery pack is protected. But what BMS provides us so that it can help us with these objectives? So BMS provides us continuous monitoring. BMS monitors voltage and current of each cell of our battery pack, so then it can make sure that our battery pack is not undercharged, overcharged or overvoltaged. Another main and important parameter which needs to be sensed for the battery pack is temperature, and BMS helps us with temperature sensing so that it can make sure the temperature outside of battery pack as well as the temperature within the cells of battery are maintained or in the good situation. Another features provided by BMS are state of health, state of charge, state of power and state of safety, because we need to know whether our battery is in good health or not, whether we need to maintenance or exchange of our battery. So this is why state of health is important, and to know the charging state of our battery, state of charge is important, as we all know that in our traditional electric vehicles we have the fuel indicators so that we can maintain our fuel. Similar way, we are having the charging indicators in our electric vehicles so that we can know how much charging is left in our batteries, and it is provided by battery management system. Similarly, the state of power and state of safety as well. Another feature provided by BMS is current monitoring. We know batteries are provided with different C ratings, and those are related to our current flow. So current monitoring is again much important parameter, and which is provided by BMS. BMS also provides us the assurance that our battery is protected using this cell balancing. What is cell balancing and how it is done, we'll see it later, but it assures the protection of battery. And again, it provides us communication and computation as well, because we need data to proceed further. Now, after knowing what is BMS, why it is important, and which parameters it provides us, of course we are going to use BMS. But now the question come to us is which BMS to use, because there are different topologies of BMS. Your BMS could be centralized, or it could be distributed, or it could be modular. So which are these topologies and how it works? Let us see. As its name suggests, centralized BMS, that means every cell of your battery is connected to a single centralized controller. Distributed BMS, that means each and every cell of your battery is connected with individual BMS. And the third one, which is the modular BMS, I can say it is the combination of about two topologies of centralized and distributed. I can say we are dividing our battery in different modules, and every module is having its own BMS. So this is how modular BMS works. So this is about centralized, distributed and modular BMS. In modular BMS, as I said, every module is having its own BMS, and there is a master BMS which is taking care of other modular BMSs. After knowing this many things about BMS, its importance and its topologies, many will be thinking that how BMS work, or which are the key technologies behind this BMS, or many will be interested in simulating and modeling the BMS. So I will answer these questions in my next session. Till then, stay tuned, take care and sayonara.